and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Time for Bappa's arrival. State wears festive look. Preparations for most popular festival Savat in full swing amidst heavy rain showers. Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana launched. Record-breaking 1.5 crore bank accounts on first day. Life cover of 30,000 rupees apart from 1 lakh accident insurance. Time for cabinet reshuffle. Chief Minister needs to assess efficiency of his ministers. MLAs opine in prudent Star of Assembly program. Post-mortem report of minor girl revealed shocking facts. Report says victim girl was strangulated before she was murdered. And Goa Chess Association takes chess into private schools. Playing chess will shape up children's personalities, says GC officials. And now the news in detail. State has worn a festive look. Preparations for one of the most popular festivals, Savat, are in full swing amidst heavy rain showers. People were engrossed in preparing matoli, decorations, sweets and makar. People were seen rushing with their last-minute shopping. Most of the families celebrated Gauri Pujan, locally known as Thai, on the eve of Savat.
Matoli is a major attraction of Savat. Earlier, people used fruits and vegetables from their backyards and kuragars to decorate Savat. But nowadays, people buy it from market. Everybody wants the best and maximum variety of fruits and vegetables to decorate Matoli. Costs are comparatively higher than last year. Heavy showers, however, affected the business of local vendors selling fruits and vegetables.
सगळो येपार पाणयान फुगलो आनी पिड्यार जालो आनी कोण गिरायक मेळना पावसाक लागून लुकसाण जालें.
आयज पावस भरपूर पडलो आनी सगळो वेपार आमचो उदकान व्हांवता सगळो बुडटा पळय.
येना येना लोक पयशे भित्ता आनी कितें जाता पयशे काडूंक मेळना सगळे जाण आनी सगळे थोडो पावसान हो माल कुसता थोडो त्या खातीर सगळे प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी गिरायक नासल्या कारणान कोणाचे आमी हाडलेले वस्तू त्यो आमच्या आंगार पडटा.
Decorations is something that consumes a lot of time. The work is mostly taken up by youth having skills. People decorate their houses in their unique and different styles. Colorful patakas, makars and lots many things. One of Prudence friends, Sandesh Desai, has chosen Prudence logo to decorate his house for Savat.
प्रुडंटाचे गोवा न्यूज सद्या फेमस आसा आनी प्रुडन हो सद्या युजफूल म्हणजे चड जाल्लो आसा जसो आज तक आसा तसो एक कल्पना आयली की प्रुडंटाचे एक लोगो बरो आसा.
Though most of the sweet dishes are prepared at home, people also buy some special sweets from the market. Many Goikas carry Ganesh idol on previous day on Thai. Many were seen carrying idols on Thursday evening. The rates of idols are decided as per the feat and creativity. One foot Ganesh idol cost almost 2,000 rupees and it goes on.
जे कारागीर असतात त्यांचाच रेट वाढलेला असता. जे आधी 200-250 रुपयांक कारागीर मेळटा ते कारागीर आता 700-800 रुपया सोदता.
पूर्वी विकल्या पळय तशें आमी म्हणून त्याच रेटीन विकले.
काय आता तुमकां कामगार बीन तुमचे
दोग जाण कामगार लायता माती बिती हे करची पडटा.
The preparation doesn't end here. How can one celebrate Savat without fireworks? Here too, everybody tries to pick the latest and colorful firework along with the usual ones like Jamin Chakra and Paus. However, firecracker vendors say that heavy showers have affected their sale this year.
नवे शॉट्स भी स्टँडर्डचे शॉट्स मल्टी कलर शॉट्स तशें आयले. सेल कसो आसा पावसाक लागून? सेल सामको आमचो 2-3 दीस जाले सामको डावन आसा पावसाक लागून. लोक येवपाक सोदना व्हरपाक प्रॉब्लेम ताका लागून खूब इफेक्ट जाल्लो आसा. एक्चुअली आतापर्यंत आमचो हरशीं ह्या दिसांनी हरशीं नॉर्मली एवरी इयर आमचो आतापर्यंत आमचो 50% काबार जाता पूण अंदू आमचो इवन 25% अजून पर्यंत काबार जावना. त्या खातीर रेट वाडत आहा आनी आतां भरपूर लाखांनी तुका पयशे फकाकूच मोडटा.
With a huge crowd and vendors flocking to the markets with martori and decoration items and other products, most of the cities witnessed traffic jam. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A bank account for every household. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana on Thursday. He says this scheme will help get rid of financial untouchability in the country. He also said that it is a record-breaking occasion for both insurance companies and banks to have got 1.5 crore accounts in a single day. Bank accounts open till January 26, 2015 will get a life cover of Rs 30,000 apart from Rs 1 lakh accident insurance.
शायद इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के इतिहास में अकस्मात बीमा, दुर्घटना बीमा एक दिवस में 1.5 करोड़ नागरिकों के खाते खुलना, ये शायद बैंकिंग इतिहास का भी एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड होगा। हर व्यक्ति को फाइनेंशियल व्यवस्था से जोड़ना होगा। 15 अगस्त को झंडा वंदन किया और योजना घोषित की। 26 जनवरी को इसको पूरा करें अपन। 26 जनवरी तक जो लोग अपने खाते खुलवाएंगे उनको 1 लाख रुपया का अकस्मात बीमा के उपरांत 30,000 रुपये का लाइफ इंश्योरेंस भी मिलेगा। जो परिवार में कोई बीमार हुआ, कोई जरूरत पड़ी तो उसको काम आएगा। और मैं मानता हूं यहीं से गरीबों की जिंदगी के सूर्योदय का आरंभ होता है।
In the state, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar launched the scheme. Union Tourism Minister Shripad Naik and officials of banks were also present at the function. Parrikar distributed passbooks to some of the new account holders.
जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन इज़ एन वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी डेवलपमेंट, तो और भी जो थोड़े बैलेंस है उनको भी लिंक किया जाए और गेट द फिगर टू 97-90। जैसे आधार में हम लोगों ने 99.8% तक फिगर लाया है, वैसा इसमें भी 99.8% तक लेके आएंगे।
टारगेट कितने टाइम
ना 100% टारगेट होता है, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से 99 हो गया कि उसको 100 कहना चाहिए, बिकॉज थोड़े लोग है नॉट इन पोजीशन टू ओपन अकाउंट रहते हैं।
Parrikar also said that Kisan Card scheme will be extended to dairy farmers and fishermen.
No, Saukar is not that much. There may be some in building sector, मतलब real estate. There may be some informal arrangements.
Fishing sector, there was this unorganized borrowing that was.
Normally, such type of sectors have, but now we have declared, Goa government has declared, Kisan Krishi Card scheme, under which we will be giving initially, by December I have said, we will start from 1st December for farmers, and then it will be followed up for milk producers and fisheries. They will have credit capacity.
With senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
There is need for cabinet change. MLAs feel that government has been functioning under Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's leadership for last 2.5 years. Now, Parrikar should take a call on non-working ministers. MLAs of party in power also feel the same. Active members during assembly session, Naresh Sawal, Pramod Sawant, Rohan Kaunte, Vijay Sardesai and Subhash Phaldesai were speaking in the special edition of the debate called Stars of Assembly.
Art of delegation is required because every minister has to realize their responsibilities. तर कोणाचेर आदेश येवपाक रावपाक गरज ना. प्रत्येकान आपले डिपार्टमेंट स्टडी करपाक जाय. दे शुड नॉट वेट फॉर द हेल्प.
इंजिन जे आसता ते बरे वेल ऑइल्ड आसपाक जाय म्हणून. थोडे पार्ट सध्या बंद जाल्या, थोडे पार्ट उलटे घुतात आनी इल्लेच पार्ट फुडें घुतात म्हणून तातूंत मशीन चलना. ताजे खातीर हे जे बंद जाल्या पळय पार्ट्स ते काडपाची गरज आसा. दॅट टाइम यू नीड टू गेट सम न्यू माइंड्स, fresh minds, and you have young legislators who are performing in the house. I think they should be given a chance.
आता जो 2.5 वर्सां जाय जाली तांकां जर पळयत तर त्यांच्या कानान सगळ्याच्या मिनिस्टराचे वारे भरला आणि ते सगळे हवेन चलता. विधानसभेन जर पळयत न्ही जाल्यार एकय प्रश्नाचे उत्तर दिवपाक समर्थ ना असो दिसता. मुळान अभ्यासच करून येना म्हणून खंय तरी हांगासर बदल जावपाक जाय.
तुका हातूंतली कांय जाण कॅबिनेटाक पयल्या तुजी टिका कमी जातली.
100%
कमी जातली टिका.
2.5 वर्सां जाल्यान इतली असेंब्ली तुमी पळयल्यान what is your rating for the government?
The government has failed, less than 3.5 marks.
म्हाका दिसता म्हज्या पेक्षा मुख्यमंत्र्यान हाजेर आज रिव्ह्यू घेवपा जाय. 2दा ताणें जालें करून की आपूण रिव्ह्यू घेतलो आनी तांकां रिप्लेस करतलो.
बरोबर.
आतां ताणें खऱ्या अर्थान तो पॅरामिटर 1 to 10 चॅक करून मायनस वतलो काय झिरोच्यान सुरवात खंय जाता कोणाक ती पळोवन
टाइम फॉर कॅबिनेट रिशफल.
गोयच्या जनतेक विचारचे प्रुडंटान हो विशय जो आसा तो सीएमाच्या हेतूर येता.
मुख्यमंत्र्यान हांचे कडच्यान काम करून घेवपा खातीर मातशें आनीक पुश घालपाक जाय. आपआपली जबाबदारी पेलपाक जाय. कोणाचे तरी असिस्टन्स येतले म्हणून रावपाक जाय.
Severe traffic jam on Zuari Bridge paralyzed vehicles till late evening on Thursday. Sources at the airport informed that flights had to depart half empty. Passengers going to their native places for Sarwat were stranded on the bridge and other routes for long hours. People informed that the traffic jam was due to breakdown of a Kadamba bus on the bridge at 3 p.m. We tried to contact the authorities, but none were available for comments. We have the visuals when traffic was blocked on Zuari Bridge even at 7:30 in the evening. Traffic moved at snail's pace. Interstate and Margaon Panji buses were running late by almost an hour. We have with us online journalist from Panji, Bernard Sapeko, who got stranded in the traffic. What's the scenario on the Zuari Bridge at the moment?
Yeah, it was pretty bad, you know.
Okay.
We had left around 3 o'clock Panjim, just before 3.
Okay.
And on reaching the junction, the bypass junction of Goavelia,
yes,
we saw a big traffic jam. So we thought that within 5-10 minutes it would be cleared.
Okay.
So for last, we had held up for nearly 1.5 hours, and there was no assistance also from anyone.
What exactly was the problem, Sapeko?
When we phoned 100, control room, they said there is one bus which broke down at the bridge, Zuari Bridge.
Is it the Kadamba bus?
Yeah, later on we saw the Kadamba bus, and we saw one car was also damaged. Maybe that bus banged their car later on after the tire burst, I think, or something. You could see them repairing one of the tires there, so replacing a tire.
Okay. Sapeko, could you just tell us more or less how much time did one vehicle took to cross the bridge?
2 hours. 2 hours to reach the airport.
Okay.
And everyone missed their flights.
Okay. They missed the flight. So
we
how many flights were missed by the passengers?
Because I heard the people shouting and running here and there, but they said they could not help. Our flight was delayed by 15 minutes, but still then that did not help us.
Sapeko, what you're saying is you did not see any traffic police managing the traffic there?
On the way, we told them stop the traffic which is crossing each other, cutting out the lanes and this, because it is blocking the other the junctions.
Yes.
There were 2 ambulances also which are caught in the jam.
Okay.
Somehow they tried to squeeze off three ambulances. So in such emergency, I do not know how. And instead of having a third bridge on the Mandovi River, I think it is better to have a second bridge on the Zuari. It's utter importance now.
Okay. How is the condition now on the bridge? I mean, the traffic has released?
We came back. It took us 1.5 hours to come back.
Okay. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.